Let's go catch Rat for a ride. I tell you what, he needs a bath so bad, and he's gonna get one. He needs like some major draw it out shampoo and conditioner and detailer and shine product, both in mane and tail, like literally. So I just got done riding. I think it's about to start raining. It started sprinkling. Let's hurry up and get unsaddled. I got him unsaddled, ready to put up. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, but it's thundering. Thanks for coming and riding with us. So until next time, see ya.